What if you could run 10 TikTok accounts, 5 Instagram pages, and 3 YouTube channels, all at the same time, from a single laptop, without getting banned? That sounds like a fever dream, right? But today, I'm showing you exactly how that works with a tool called GeeLark, and honestly, it kind of blew my mind. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through what GeeLark actually is, how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth it. So, what is GeeLark? In simple terms, it's the world's first cloud phone platform. Instead of buying 10 cheap Android phones and wiring them all up on a shelf somewhere, GeeLark gives you remote Android devices that run entirely in the cloud. Think of it like a virtual phone. It looks, feels, and behaves exactly like a real Android device. Except it's running on a server, you access it from your browser or desktop app, and you can spin up as many as you need. Okay, let's talk features because this is where GeeLark really shines. First, automation. GeeLark has 3 ways to automate tasks. The first is RPA, Robotic Process Automation. GeeLark comes with pre-built templates for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube that can automatically log in, post content, like, comment, follow all the repetitive stuff you'd otherwise do manually. The second thing I want to show you is GeeLark AI, and this is where it gets really interesting. GeeLark has AI built directly into the platform, no switching between tools, no third-party apps. There are a few things it can do. First, there's the AI assistant powered by DeepSeek. It's right inside GeeLark. You can ask it anything about how to use the platform, or just use it as a general assistant while you work. For example, I write, "What are the best practices for managing 5 TikTok accounts at the same time?" Here's the result. This is very helpful. You can view the history, see copy, regenerate, or start a conversation again. Then there's the AIGC content creation tools, and this is the one that's most useful for TikTok specifically. You've got an image to video, a text to video tool, and an generate image. So instead of filming new content every single day, you can generate unique videos and images directly inside GeeLark, save them to your library, and push them out across all your accounts automatically. And GeeLark RPA supports some of the most powerful AI automation, such as TikTok video posting, TikTok carousel posting, post content on Facebook, and more. And third, there's a full API for developers who want to build custom workflows or integrate GeeLark into their own systems. Now, let's proceed to create a profile. First, click on New Profile. Enter a name for your profile and choose Android for operating system. Assign it to a group for better organization and optionally add tags and remarks to make it easier to manage later. Next, configure your proxy settings. Select Custom to input new proxy details. GeeLark supports several proxy protocols, but in this tutorial, we'll use SOCKS 5. Leave the IP query channel on its default setting as it helps verify the proxy's location. Enter your proxy information. If you're using mobile or rotating proxies, you can use the URL field. After that, click Check Proxy to confirm it's working and to view its IP address and location. Now, move on to device configuration. Each cloud phone has a unique fingerprint, making it appear as a separate physical device. Choose your preferred billing method, monthly rental for continuous use, or pay per minute for flexibility with a daily spending cap. Select the Android version you want to use. In this case, we'll go with Android 15. For location settings, it's recommended to choose based on IP, so the system automatically matches your proxy's region. Set the device brand and model to random unless you have specific requirements. Also, set the device language to based on IP for automatic matching. Click Preview to review your setup, then hit Create. Once your cloud phone is ready, click Start to launch it. After a short wait, your cloud Android device will be up and running. You can swipe up to access apps, just like on a real phone. On the right sidebar, you'll find useful tools such as screen rotation, screenshots, and file uploads. These features allow you to manage the cloud phone just like a physical device. You can also install apps directly from the built-in app marketplace without using Google Play. The app marketplace lets you easily install apps without using Google Play. Now, let's look at the proxy management feature. Go to the proxy section to organize your proxies in advance. Click Add Proxy to import multiple proxies at once. Choose the IP query channel and proxy type, then assign a group name, for example, US Digital Delegator. Enter your proxy details, up to 100 at a time, and add remarks if needed. Click Proxy Test to verify each proxy. This will display important information like IP address, location, and connection status, ensuring reliability. Once verified, click OK to finish importing. You'll now see your proxies listed along with their remarks. Alright, so final thoughts. GeeLark is a powerful tool for managing multiple social media accounts, e-commerce stores, or any scalable mobile-based operations. Its cloud phone system goes beyond traditional anti-detect browsers by running a full Android environment, making it much harder for platforms to detect. You can try it for free using the link in the description. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.